Welcome to Building a Computer, the build. This is the final tutorial in building the computer section, and if you haven't studied the components, the ports and the motherboard, take a look back to make sure you have. As you can see, I've already placed the motherboard into the case. Here I have screwed in the motherboard into place. This is the first step to do to make sure the motherboard is secure. The second step you want to do is secure the motherboard to CPU, sorry. The CPU is stored under here, so make sure you don't break any of the pins as it can break it. And make sure the fan is secure after. Once the CPU is secure and the heatsink and fan is secure as well, we have the power ATX port here. So if we want to connect that in, this will provide power to the motherboard. That's good. So once that's in, we can get our RAM and place it in the slot. To make sure it's secure, push it in and these clips should go in like that. The next process is to plug the hard drive in. So you take the SATA cable here and place it in its port just here, and then get the other end. Once it's plugged in there, you plug it into the other end just here, and then we can plug the power in just as well. To plug in the power, just grab that cable and place it's in just like that. That'll provide power to the hard drive. So once that's back in, move that over here. There we have it. We have our motherboard in, CPU in, RAM in, our power plugged in. Now we'll plug in the DVD-ROM. Now you can see that the DVD-ROM is plugged in. We can now close up the case and start to plug in the components. Now we have the case back on, we can start to plug in our cables. So here I'm plugging in the DVI port, DVI cable for the monitor. So screw that in, make sure that's all secure. So once the DVI connector's in, we can connect to the monitor. See here, I'm using a converter cable just because if you see out there, my monitor is a VGA, so I had to buy a converter. But if you didn't, you can just easily disconnect. So once that's there, and connected in, our monitor is almost connected. We'll just have to insert the power, but we will do that last. Next, we've got our mouse and cable. So we can connect that with USB at the back. And get the other one, place it in there. As you can see, I've now plugged the power cable into the monitor. And finally, you get the power cable for the tower and plug it in. We can see if the computer is about to work. You can see the computer is now booting up and it's just loading up now. That is how you build a computer. Thank you for watching.